In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a member role in ClickUp. If you manage a team in ClickUp, keeping everyone assigned to the right role is really important. Roles control what people can access and what they're able to do inside your workspace, so making updates when someone's responsibilities change helps keep your setup organized and secure. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to update a member's role quickly and smoothly. To begin, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. From there, click on your workspace name. This will open a menu where you can access several administrative options. In that menu, select Settings. This is the main area where you can manage how your workspace is configured, including user access and permissions. Once you're in Settings, look for the Admin section. Under that section, click People. This will take you to the area where you can view and manage the users connected to your workspace. If you're working with a larger team, this page is especially useful because it gives you a central place to review members and make changes when needed. Next, find the member whose role you want to change. On the Manage People page, use the search feature to quickly locate that person. This can save time, especially if your workspace has a long list of users. Make sure you select the correct person before continuing, since role changes affect that user's permissions immediately. After you've found the right member, move to the Role column on the same row. Click the person's current role to open the Role menu. This menu will display the available role options for that user. Now choose the new role you want to assign. Depending on your workspace setup, you may see options such as Member, Limited Member, Guest, Admin, or a custom role if your organization uses customized permissions. Take a moment to choose carefully, since each role gives a different level of access within ClickUp. Once you click the new role, the change is applied automatically. There's no extra save button required, so the update takes effect right away. That means the member's access and permissions will reflect the new role immediately after your selection. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly update roles in ClickUp and keep your team permissions aligned with each person's responsibilities. Thanks for watching.